Welcome back, grade 4. This is our first session in quarter 4, inshallah. This is chapter 9. Today, the fractions we will be looking at are called decimals, decimal fractions. Decimal fractions have denominators that are multiples of 10, like these examples: 1 out of 100, 6 out of 10, 32 out of 100, 2 out of 10. We are also going to learn how to read and recognize decimal numbers to the hundredths. Writing decimals is a different way of writing fractions. Just like fractions, decimals also represent a part that's less than a whole. When writing decimal numbers, you need to place numbers to the right of a decimal point, like this one. As you see, this is the decimal point, and on its right you will find the decimal number, the decimal part. All of these examples. On its right, this is the decimal part, this is the decimal part, this is the decimal part, this is the decimal part. And 23 is a whole number. On its left, you will find the whole number. On its right, you will find the decimal part or the fractional part. Here we have place value chart that represents the decimal places. We have, this is the decimal point. On its right, you will find the decimal part. On its left, you will find the whole number. The whole number starts with ones place. There is no ones place in the decimal part. The first place value in the decimal part, which is 10th, then 100th. And here, the underlined number is in the 10th place and represents 5/10. 5/10 is the same as 5 out of 10. 5 out of 10. This is the fractional form. This is the decimal form. This is the decimal point, 5 here, and there is no whole numbers. That's why we put 0. Here, this is the picture form for the decimal number. We will shade only 5 parts from the 10 parts. This underlined number is in the 100th place and represents 600. When we want to read this number, we will read it from left to right. From left to right. Let's read together. As we know before, it's 123. And then here we will say and, grade 4. At the beginning of the year, when we have more than one period in the number, I said, don't say and. Why? Because we want to, or we will say and just dealing with decimal numbers. Just see the decimal point, you will say and. So, let's read it again. 123 and 56 hundredths. I read the decimal number as it is, 56, and I'll put at the end of the sentence the last place value in the decimal part, which is here 100th, okay? 600 is the same as 6 out of 100. This is the fractional form, and this is the decimal form. Here we have, this is the 6 here. I put it. Why I put the decimal point in this place? Because my denominator is 100. I have 2 zeros. It means the decimal point will be after 2 places. 1, 2. And this is the picture form. 6 pieces out of 100. Let's practice. Which of the following is equal to 5 out of 10? I'll put my numerator, which is 5, as it is. The decimal point will be after one place. So the answer is this one. One place. 5/10. Which of the following is equal to 1 out of 10? 1, and the decimal point should be after one place. So the answer must be this one. 1/10, okay? Which of the following is equal to 9 out of 100? 100, it has 2 zeros, which means the decimal point should be after 2 places. 2 places. 1, 2. This is the correct answer. Which of the following is equal to 64 out of 100? First, we will write 64 as this. Then we will place the decimal point after 2 places. 1, 2. Will not be this one because here the decimal point after just one place. This is the correct answer. How do you say the following decimal? How can you read it? It's 2. 2 what? 2 and the decimal point after one place, which means 2 out of 10. 2/10. Okay, what about this one? 7, the decimal point after one place, which means 7 out of 10. It's 7/10. This one, it's 8, the decimal point after 2 places. 1, 2. So it's 8 out of 100. 800. How do you say the following decimal? It's 75 and the decimal point after 2 places. It means 75 out of 100, which is 7500. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the first session on the LMS, inshallah, and check your LMS for the classwork sheet or handout to practice on this lesson, and we will discuss everything in our first conference session, inshallah. Bye.